welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into 5 quick and easy recipes that you can whip up in no time. Listen, I know what it's like in a busy kitchen. You've got a million things going on, deadlines to meet, kids to wrangle, and you're starving. But that doesn't mean you have to resort to takeaway or, God forbid, another frozen dinner. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cook, these dishes are sure to impress. And trust me, I don't impress easily. We're talking bold flavors, fresh ingredients, and techniques so simple, even you lot can't mess them up. So put on your aprons, grab your knives, and let's get cooking. Right, you want to start the day, right? None of that sugary cereal rubbish. We're talking about avocado toast with a bit of a kick. First, toast your bread, and for God's sake, use a decent bread, none of that white, fluffy nonsense. We need something with a bit of texture, something that can hold its own against a perfectly ripe avocado. While the bread's toasting, grab your avocado. Now this is where most of you lot go wrong. You mash it up into a paste and call it a day. Not today. We're going to slice it thin, nice even slices like you're prepping for a Michelin star restaurant, not some greasy spoon. Now, layer those avocado slices onto the toast. A sprinkle of chili flakes for a bit of heat, a drizzle of olive oil for richness, and a pinch of sea salt to bring out the flavors. There you have it, a breakfast fit for a king, or at least a chef who knows a thing or two about good food. Next up, we're taking a trip to the Mediterranean with a classic Greek salad. This is a salad done right, not some limp lettuce and watery tomatoes. We're talking vibrant colors, bold flavors, and fresh ingredients that sing in your mouth. Start with a base of crisp romaine lettuce. Tear it into bite-sized pieces, none of that pre-cut nonsense. Then, add juicy, ripe tomatoes cut into wedges, not those pathetic little cubes. Next, we need some crunch, so grab a cucumber and slice it thinly. And for God's sake, use a peeler to remove those nasty bitter seeds before you even think about slicing it. Finally, the stars of the show: salty Kalamata olives, creamy feta cheese crumbled to perfection, and a sprinkle of dried oregano for that unmistakable Mediterranean aroma. Now, for the dressing, a simple mix of olive oil, red wine vinegar, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Toss it all together and taste the sunshine. Listen up, you don't have time for a 3-course meal at lunch. You need something quick, easy, and most importantly, delicious. That's where this chicken wrap comes in, ready to save you from another sad desk lunch. First, grab some leftover chicken. Roasted, grilled, poached, I don't care, as long as it's cooked. Shred it up with your hands, no need for knives here. Now for the sauce. Mix together some mayonnaise, a dollop of Dijon mustard for a bit of a kick, and a squeeze of lemon juice to brighten things up. Warm your tortillas. You want them pliable, not brittle. Spread a generous layer of that delicious sauce, pile on the chicken, and add your favorite toppings. I like some crunchy lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and a sprinkle of cheese for good measure. Wrap it up tight, and you've got a lunch that's ready to roll. Let's be honest, after a long day, the last thing you want to do is slave over a hot stove. That's where this spaghetti Aglio e Olio comes in, a true testament to the beauty of simplicity. It's a classic Italian dish with minimal ingredients, maximum flavor. First, cook your spaghetti according to the package directions. And for God's sake, don't overcook it. We want it al dente with a bit of bite. While the pasta's cooking, thinly slice some garlic. Now here's the secret. Don't burn the garlic. Gently fry it in olive oil over low heat until it's golden and fragrant. Add a pinch of red pepper flakes for a touch of heat, then toss in the cooked spaghetti. Add a splash of pasta water to create a silky sauce and finish with a generous grating of Parmesan cheese and a sprinkle of fresh parsley. See? Told you it was simple. Listen, even a world-class chef like me craves something sweet now and then. But who has time for baking after a long day? This chocolate mug cake is the answer to your dessert prayers, ready in minutes and dangerously delicious. Grab a mug, a large one, none of those dainty teacups. In a separate bowl, whisk together flour, sugar, cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. Then, add in milk, oil, and vanilla extract. Mix it until it's just combined, no need to overwork it. Now pour that batter into your mug and microwave it for about a minute or until it's cooked through. The top should be springy to the touch. Let it cool slightly, then dig in. You can add a dollop of whipped cream or a sprinkle of chocolate chips if you're feeling indulgent. You deserve it. And there you have it, 5 quick and easy recipes that are perfect for any time of the day. Remember, cooking doesn't have to be a chore. With a few simple ingredients and a bit of creativity, you can whip up a meal that's both delicious and satisfying. So ditch the takeout menus, put down the frozen dinners, and get cooking. You might even surprise yourself with what you can achieve in the kitchen. And trust me, if you can impress me, you can impress anyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!